Hi, my name is Zeus King. I'm the CEO and co-founder of HUZBee.com. In this video, Husby University presents what happens if there are things I want the seller to fix before closing. If there are certain repairs you want the seller to address before closing, an amendment will have to be drafted to the agreed terms. This amendment should include exactly what repairs are to be made. Keep in mind that this is a part of the negotiation process. The seller may or may not agree to the repairs or may agree to some, but not all of the requested repairs. Being fair and realistic with your request, keeping a good communication with the seller, and justifying why you are making the request will help you achieve a favorable outcome. Typically, the seller are more likely to agree to fix safety-related items, but not cosmetic issues. HUZBEE Pro Tip. Alternatively, you may request for a seller's credit or concessions in lieu of the actual repairs. Often, this is a more favorable request for the seller as it is more convenient. Be sure you get a written estimate from the vendor to justify your credit amount. By having a written estimate in hand, you're more likely to have the seller agree versus pulling numbers out of thin air.